Hello, hello. I rarely ever do Amazon. I'm just kind of like always on the fence about it. I have a lot of mixed feelings about Amazon. But anyway, I did make some Prime Day purchases, which actually was 2 Prime Days. I always have like mixed feelings about that too. When they have 2 Prime Days in a row and they're calling it, Shop Prime Day, and it's actually 2 days, but that's like neither here nor there. So anyway, I hope there was 3 things, and I hope all 3 things are in these 2 packages, but maybe there'll still be one coming. But anyway, thought I'd do like just a little mini haul. Okay, so I guess we'll open it this way. I don't have my nails on right now, so it's challenging. Okay, what is this? I don't even know. I can't remember until I ordered this. Oh, okay. So I ordered some sports bras, and I'm always challenged with sports bras. Extra larges sometimes are too big. Like here, I'll show you right here. I've got one on. Extra larges often are too long here on a petite person, but at the same time, I need the coverage of XL down here. So sometimes I'll buy a large because of it fits more my body properly here, but then sometimes sometimes it's a little too small and I end up spilling out. So it has to be the right amount, or even if I buy them in XO, I end up being like, sometimes you're like uniboob. So it has to be support where you're not uniboob, but at the same time, not spilling, and it's not too long. And anyway, so I decided to try these, and this is what, it was a 3-pack. I have a 3-pack, and then I bought another one separate, so just to try. And so this one was size-wise, and I bought them from Avon before too, and I bought them from multiple places. Okay, so this one says 360 degrees smooth, and it does feel really, really soft. I guess that's the brand. And Comfort Flex Fit. Okay. And it does feel very lightweight. It does not have a reinforced band, even though it is reinforced, but it's not like that super, super thick kind. Okay. And oh, before I forget, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe, or share this video with your friends who like beauty and style and might just need a smile. Okay, so right away, it's lighter weight than most sports bras that I wear. It is reinforced with a reinforced cup that they did show on the model, but I'm trying to see if there is a slit here. So if you want to take out the cup, which I often do because I feel, sometimes the cup is good, but see already, like if the cup has this, it's almost like this puckering on the cup, if you can see that. If there's puckering already in the cup, if you're wearing a tight shirt, the puckering makes your boobs look like you've got like ridges, okay? I'd much rather, some people like the reinforced cup because it helps with, you don't have like, what is it? Obvious nipple thing showing or whatever. But sometimes that can still happen with these. Sometimes I'd rather, like, I don't know, sometimes I feel like the cups add to sweat. So, it just depends. Sometimes I may, figure out whether I want to keep the cups in or not, but I really like the color. And I feel like this is a good length on the strap. I mean, there's a nice stretch on here. So, nice stretch. And okay, so what size was this? Let's see. Is there no label on the inside, which is kind of random. They just have these tags, retail tags. And this is Smooth Tech, lays flat. Oh, this is an XL. Okay, so it has to have a stretch to it. It has to have a stretch. Or else this is for an XL child. Yes, there's the stretch here. Okay, yeah, okay. So I think it'll be good. Okay, all right, so that's the first one. Okay. And this was the 3-pack. And the 3-pack, and we got our little super dry thing. Got some little tags here that obvious. Okay, so these are these have adjustable straps, I think. No, just reinforced. Okay, just reinforced. Okay, this is a T-back, one of those T-back kind. And this is okay, these were the ones. This was a guess. This was a guess. These ran only by numbers, okay? Like 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, okay? So I got a 40, which looks about right, okay? And so, and it has this little, I don't think I've worn this kind before, but I thought this would be good for more separation so that I wouldn't get the bunched uniboob thing that happens when I wear sports bra. So this was a 3-pack. I wish I could remember the prices, but these were very, I was purposely getting sets that were, say, under $15 and not anything expensive at all. Okay, so there's a gray one. There's a white one. And this is kind of, I'm not sure if I like the double, but, you know, that also might help with, so it's not so much pressure of just one strap. You've got, you know, divided up the pressure a little bit. And, okay, so there's the white one, the gray one, the white one, and they had this blue, which is, this actually feels more reinforced. Okay, they had this blue with the black. And this feels like the cups are, yeah, it feels like it's more reinforced than these. These just feel like just cotton, even though it's reinforced on this side has a white, and it has things that if you wanted to put the cups in there. So, oops, there's a little, okay. Oh, yes, there's a hole on this side that I guess if I wanted to take the cup out. But I guess I'll have to try that on to see if I like the cups or not. But it's black. It's really cute with the black and the blue color. I have so many, like, you can even see the way this blue looks. It's really, really cute. Okay, so it was 4 sports bras. One was a pack of 3. What's this? Oh, no, that was just a label. Okay. One was a pack of 3, and then there was, I got this other one, this purple one. And, okay, so I think this is just the office paper I ordered. I have a lot of printing things that I'm going to be doing that need, boy, this is an unusual box. I have some printing I'm going to be doing that I needed some neon pink paper. I've got different colors. I've got the green, I've got the purple, I've got the yellow. And I thought I had the pink, but I must have used it up because sometimes I really use the pink paper a lot. And so, I'm doing this right. I put that sticker on everything. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's figure this out. How was the structure? Okay, so there's this. Okay. Let's go where this tape is. Let's see if that'll... Okay, there's some sort of a seam here. It is so... I mean... Living when you get used to having long nails, and then I'm gonna put them back on. It's just the I just have not had time. There's that like 2 or 3 days where the nails are popping off when you have the acrylics, and unless you can get to a nail place right away, or like me, I'm doing myself, I just don't have, you know, I'm juggling 3 jobs right now. I'm filming this at midnight. Just to be able to keep creating content. So, okay, here we go. Very unusual box set up. All right, this is, yes, this was the least expensive, because these sets are not cheap, but this was the least expensive size of the pink neon paper, the Astor Brights. And they had other brands too, and you could get them like in packs of like 50 or packs of 100. But this was a pack of 500 for the same cost, or around the same as the packs of 50. But it was just like, you know, this was like and then they had other ones, other brands that were even much more expensive. So, so this was what I did. So, I use them for flyers. I use them for. What I'll do is make multiple, I'll create a thing where I put columns, and then I cut, and I'll print out like what looks like a label, and instead of a label, I'll sometimes, or maybe it might be an insert for like say I have a brochure that I put into a baggie that I either put on the door for customers or potential customers, or it'll be like as a toss, we call it brochure toss, or handing out somewhere in an event, and it might say something like, you know, see my information on the back, contact info on back if you want to order, or for faster service, you know, shop my website on the back, or, you know, just lots of little things like that. So, or, you know, just the label to have on the back so it jumps out at customers, for like that has my info on it, or even putting it more on the front instead of just the back, or, you know, just different things. It might say, take me, I'm free, or it might be a flyer instead of, so, you know, there's all different kinds of things. So I'm just going to, I just love the neon. It's, you know, it's just bright and fun, you know. Look at how gorgeous. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. And then sometimes I have pink mailers, and I'll write the name and address instead of writing directly on the mailer. I'll cut out this and then write it, and then just tape it onto the mailer, because instead of a label, so that way you save. You're not having to spend the money on the labels, but you still have like a nice when you're writing the customer's name and number on to mail it out, you're not writing on the things that has the bumpy packing material underneath that makes it harder to write. You get a nice even surface. So, and you can divide this up in like, you know, a rectangle here, it's like 3, it might even be like 9, you know, 3 across, 3 across, 3 across. So anyway, it's one of those things, like I call it a must-have for my office. I'm excited to have this. I have neon green. I've got, like I said, I've got different colors. I like things that jump out at the customer. So I still have, I think there's one more thing left to come from Amazon, which I think was shoelaces. I know it's so random, but I had not been able to find white shoelaces that I need, like the style that I need. Like sometimes you might find shoelaces in the grocery store, of course, that maybe they might only have black or brown in stock, right? But for like men's dress shoes, I bought a pair of sneakers from Avon that were breast cancer sneakers. They're really, really cute and comfortable. I'm really getting into my sneakers again, just because of some foot issues that I have. But it's improving just since I've been doing the sneakers. But the laces of those sneakers are elastic. And I'm not a fan of them. You can't get the sneaker. I need my sneakers to be like maybe loose in one area where my feet are really wide, and then get them nice and tight around like where you tie your shoe, of course. So, okay. So because the laces are elastic, they're the kind that they're meant to be like, the laces are just sort of like a decor, like for decorating, not for really supporting, right? So what ends up happening is I noticed not being able to get the laces like tied. My hair's really getting my nerves today. To get the laces tied like a normal shoelace, even if you pull on it, it doesn't have the same strength because it's just elastic. So it just keeps stretching. And I'd never seen that before. Maybe some sneakers are like that now, but they're not my thing, you know. Okay, so I need white shoelaces for those sneakers, but not the thick kind, like this, but they are the kind that are like more like a rope, the thin rope kind. So I was able to find, and of course I just needed one pair, but of course they make you buy two. So I did get those. Those are coming. And I think there might be one other thing, but I'm just not sure. I can't remember. You know, you can buy stuff and you buy like a bunch of like little things. Oh yeah, I need this, or oh, this looks good. And, da, 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 da. And sometimes, like me, I knew there was a 3-pack, but I had totally forgotten I bought the 4. So we'll see how it goes. Now this is also just one little thing. This is more like a this feels more synthetic. This is not cotton. Whereas the others are cotton. So that's another little tidbit I forgot to say. So anyway, thanks so much for joining me. I've been trying to mix things up over here and post some of my TikTok videos. Some are shorts. Some I'm posting as videos, but they're just short content. But I hope you guys enjoy them. I'm trying to do more. I'm trying to, there's so much more I have to film. I have like a month and a half worth of content that I've been planning up here, but not able to have the time to do it. I also have a personal update that I've got to film too, because there's a lot going on personally with us. And yeah, so thanks so much for following. Thanks to all my new followers. Thanks to all the people who've been following me for a long time. Welcome, welcome. And thanks so much. And I hope you're having a great evening or a great day wherever you are. And I'll see you next time. Okay? Take care. Thanks. Bye.